go-to channel for transforming your living spaces, inside and out. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you've been dreaming of turning your backyard into the ultimate entertaining oasis, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into one of the most beloved and stylish trends in outdoor living, the Cedar Outdoor Kitchen. It's the perfect blend of rustic charm, natural elegance, and incredible durability. We'll cover everything from the benefits of using cedar to the 10 best design ideas using the incredible photos you see now. Get ready to be inspired. So, what exactly is a Cedar Outdoor Kitchen? At its core, it's an open-air cooking and entertainment space where cedar wood is the primary material used for the cabinet framing, island cladding, and decorative elements like pergolas or serving bars. Cedar, especially Western red cedar, is a soft, lightweight timber famous for its rich, warm color palette, beautiful straight grain, and a wonderfully distinctive natural aroma. It's a design choice that is both timeless and naturally sophisticated. The benefits of choosing cedar go far beyond its stunning looks. First, cedar has an inherent, natural resistance to moisture, rot, and decay, which is crucial for any structure exposed to the elements year-round. Unlike many other wood species, it contains natural oils that act as preservatives, effectively making it insect repellent against common pests like termites. This built-in durability means your investment will look beautiful and last for decades with minimal maintenance. Furthermore, cedar is an exceptionally stable wood that resists warping, shrinking, and splitting, even through extreme temperature and humidity swings. This combination of beauty, longevity, and low upkeep makes cedar a top choice for discerning homeowners. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here these the compilation of the top 10 best cedar outdoor kitchen ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. The rustic elegance cedar grill island. This timeless design focuses on the grill as the centerpiece of the outdoor space. It features a robust central built-in stainless steel grill unit encased in thick horizontal slatted cedar cladding for a distinct coastal or cabin aesthetic. The rich, warm tone of the cedar beautifully contrasts with the cool, polished finish of a dense granite or soapstone countertop. This layout maximizes utility with an accessible lower shelf for wood storage or extra cooking tools and serves as a natural gathering point for guests, blending essential functionality with high-end rustic charm. 2. Modern cedar bar with waterfall countertop. An incredibly sleek and contemporary approach to the Cedar Outdoor Kitchen. This unit is built from finely sanded, vertical cedar planks, finished with a clear seal to preserve the natural grain's integrity. The show-stopping element is the crisp, bright white concrete or durable quartz waterfall countertop, which dramatically drops down the side of the cedar island. This minimalist design creates a sophisticated, bar-height entertaining space that feels more like a modern indoor fixture, perfect for cocktail parties and seamless serving. 3. Cedar pergola-framed outdoor kitchen retreat. This idea is about creating a fully defined outdoor room. The entire cooking and dining area is beautifully framed and shaded by a custom-built cedar pergola with substantial wooden beams. The kitchen island itself features traditional cedar raised panel cabinetry and is complemented by a textured, natural stone backsplash and darker, weather-resistant countertops. The pergola provides essential sun protection while casting attractive shadows, defining a cozy and luxurious retreat that encourages long, leisurely meals outdoors. 4. Compact mobile cedar prep station. An essential piece for smaller patios, balconies, or those who need flexible cooking spaces. This is a highly practical freestanding cedar cart or prep table set on heavy-duty, lockable swivel casters. It provides essential staging and cutting workspace beside your main grill, with a durable stainless steel or composite top. The design incorporates built-in side rails and wrought iron hooks for hanging utensils, towels, and spices, along with a ventilated lower shelf, offering maximum functionality in a minimal footprint. 5. Cedar and stone combo kitchen with integrated fireplace. This is a design for the ultimate luxury backyard. The warmth of the cedar cabinetry and the grill island bases is perfectly anchored by heavy, textured natural stone accents, often used for the knee wall or the oven surround. The focal point is a grand, built-in outdoor stone fireplace, which extends the usability of the kitchen well into the cooler months. The combination of wood and stone materials creates a harmonious, resort-style ambience that is both incredibly durable and visually stunning. 6. Shosugi-ban or charred cedar kitchen look. For a dramatic, deeply modern aesthetic, this design utilizes the ancient Japanese wood preservation technique known as shosugi-ban. The cedar is intentionally charred to create a deep, carbonized black finish, which not only gives it a striking high-contrast look but also significantly enhances its natural resistance to fire, pests, and rot. The dark, textured surface of the cabinets creates a powerful visual statement when paired with light, expansive countertops and sleek, professional-grade stainless steel appliances. 7. L-shaped cedar kitchen with sink and storage. A highly functional and efficient layout, the L-shape is a favorite for dedicated outdoor chefs. This design utilizes the corner to maximize counter space for food preparation and serving. It highlights deep, custom cedar base cabinets with shaker or recessed panel doors, providing ample, organized storage. The layout is centered around an integrated stainless steel drop-in sink with a high-arch faucet, making cleanup incredibly convenient and defining a true self-contained exterior culinary workstation. 8. Two-tone stained cedar entertainment hub. This creative idea uses varied staining techniques to add segmentation and visual excitement to a large unit. A light, natural stain is applied to the main structural elements, like the island base, while a darker, richer tone, such as dark walnut or espresso, is used for trim accents and the rear panel of the bar area. This two-tone finish helps define different zones, perhaps a cooking side and a dedicated bar side, while showcasing the unique texture and grain of the cedar in multiple beautiful shades. 9. Cedar cabinetry with stainless steel appliances and vent hood. Focusing on professional-grade performance, this design shows how the organic beauty of cedar can beautifully house high-end, commercial-style equipment. The rich cedar cabinets, finished with an outdoor-rated sealant, provide a warm frame for the clean lines of stainless steel drawers, access doors, and an impressive, powerful vent hood installed over the grill. This ensures effective smoke removal, protects the overhead structure, and gives the entire kitchen a truly professional, chef-quality appearance. 10. Walk-up cedar bar with integrated planter boxes. This design elevates the simple serving bar by integrating living elements. The counter is built at a social bar height, clad in horizontal cedar paneling that is durable and inviting. The unique touch is the inclusion of vertical or tiered planter boxes built directly into the ends or behind the bar. These planters can house fresh herbs for cooking and cocktails or colorful flowers, seamlessly blending the kitchen structure into the surrounding garden and creating a fragrant, natural backdrop. To truly elevate your Cedar Outdoor Kitchen from functional to fabulous, it's all about the details and material contrast. Cedar's warm tones pair beautifully with cool, solid materials. Consider a durable countertop like polished granite, sleek white concrete, or natural flagstone to provide a dramatic and resilient surface that contrasts with the softwood grain. Lighting is paramount. Install warm, dimmable LED strip lighting beneath countertops and cabinet toe kicks to create a sophisticated evening glow, and use a striking pendant light or chandelier over your dining area. Finally, introduce texture and comfort with high-quality, weather-resistant furniture in complementary materials like powder-coated aluminum or woven wrought tan. Small decor items like integrated cedar planter boxes, colorful outdoor rugs, and throw pillows will tie the entire space together, making it feel like a true outdoor room. The cedar structure is the foundation, but the right equipment makes it a true kitchen. Here are the must-have items to include. First, built-in grill or smoker. Choose a high-performance unit, and if your cabinetry is made of cedar or a combustible material, you must install an insulated jacket around the grill head. This is essential for safety and protecting your wood frame from heat damage. Second, durable countertops. As mentioned, materials like granite, quartz, or poured concrete are ideal. They offer non-combustible surfaces for safety, are easy to clean, and hold up against extreme weather. Third, stainless steel sink and faucet. A dedicated sink with running water is a game-changer for food prep, hand washing, and cleanup. Look for marine-grade stainless steel fixtures to prevent rust and corrosion. Fourth, weather-resistant storage. Invest in cedar cabinetry with an applied sealant, or incorporate weather-sealed drawers made from materials like PVC or stainless steel into your cedar frame to protect utensils, cookware, and towels from moisture. 5th, outdoor refrigerator or beverage center. An integrated outdoor-rated mini fridge is a necessity for keeping drinks cold and food safe during long summer parties. Ensure it is rated for outdoor use to handle temperature fluctuations. 6th, overhead structure or pergola or awning. While cedar is weather-resistant, a cedar pergola or modern awning will provide necessary shade while cooking and protection from light rain, enhancing the overall functionality of the space. 7th, bar seating or dining area. Complete the look with an attached cedar bar counter and comfortable, durable bar stools or a full dining set to create the perfect entertaining flow. A Cedar Outdoor Kitchen is more than just a place to cook. It's an investment in your lifestyle, your home's value, and your well-being. It effortlessly bridges the gap between the comforts of indoor living and the refreshing beauty of the natural world. By choosing cedar, you are selecting a material that offers warmth, luxury, and unparalleled durability, guaranteeing a beautiful outdoor space that you, your family, and your guests will enjoy for many seasons to come. We hope this video has sparked some serious inspiration for your next backyard project. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more luxury home, decor, and DIY tips. Which of the 10 cedar kitchen ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing your ideas and seeing your finished projects. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.